I was so honored to receive an advanced reader's copy of Spark, a novel in verse written by author Chris Barron. This is how the story goes. We are introduced to our main character, Finn. He always stays organized and is a voracious learner. He takes in information incredibly quickly and cares deeply about the environment. He and his best friend Rabbit are passionate about protecting the forest and city they live in, for both themselves and the animals that live there too. The duo live in Redwood Hollows, California, and as many of you might know, the state of California, the place where I too am from, has been ravaged by deadly wildfires all across the state. From the foothills of the Sierra Nevada to the Palisades by Los Angeles, and even the coastal range by the Bay Area. Rabbit and Finn are no stranger to fires, and while their small town hasn't been hit by them directly, they've seen smoke scattered throughout the skies plenty of times to make them deeply concerned. And we soon learn their concerns become a reality in their own city. With a combination of dry weather and a little spark, a massive fire erupts, and so starts evacuations. For many citizens of Redwood Hollows, homes are lost, and their hope is lost. Families move, and pets go missing. But while some sparks are deadly, others bring life back. Fires are dangerous and can cause harm, but there is always a light in the darkness afterward. Rabbit and Finn use this opportunity to create a YouTube channel. They place the camera down and film wildlife returning to their natural habitat in order to spread awareness for the environment. Using their newfound platform, they work to save the forests, whether their own or beyond. But can two kids build enough of a following to make a difference? And will adults actually listen to them? Read Spark to find out. And what I truly love the most about Spark is how timely and important it is. Fires constantly sweep through my home state, and thousands are forced out of the homes they lived in, some for months, some for decades. In the blink of an eye, the world changes. Lives are sadly lost. And hopefully these massive wildfires, whether in the California Palisades or beyond, will act as the final straw so humanity will stick together and fight climate change. We must also create wildfire safety systems to ensure homes don't burn down and our forests and wildlife live on. Spark is a much needed book. It's an eye-opener and breaks your heart, while at the same time it repairs it right back. Kids will enjoy Chris Barron's novel and verse style of writing, and adults will find this to be a powerful and moving tale that educates and entertains. It is a book that is needed in every classroom and library. I loved Spark. It is a 10 out of 10 for sure. Bye.